Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use the Apache Jmeter timers. Okay, what is the use for each and every timer? Okay, this is our agenda. How to use Apache Jmeter timers. First one is the constant timer. Constant timer means each and every request, how much time you will provide it. There is a constant time you need to provide. No? You will take in milliseconds. 1000 second means 1 second. That basic example I will give into the 5000 seconds. Each and every request will wait 5 seconds after we'll send it to the server. That is the main intention for the constant timer. Uniform random timer will provide the random based timer. Means example, there is a minimum and maximum is there. You will provide example, minimum you will provide the 5000 seconds. Sorry, minimum you will provide 1000 seconds and maximum 5000 seconds. The duration will be executed 5000 plus 1000 is equal to 6000 seconds. You will execute 6 seconds, or 5000 minus 1000 seconds is equal 4000, 4 seconds. Means 4 seconds or 6 seconds will be randomly will execute the test. Synchronizing test, this synchronizing timer used to, you need to perform this spike testing. Means um, deviation of the users and release the users. Means you need to provide some users, how many users you need to provide, and how many users will be reached, you need to release the users. That based you need to design the synchronizing timer. Gaussian random timer, this is also same, only uniform random timer will be able to work. And Poisson random timer, you will provide some users based will work. And the constant throughput timer and precise throughput timer I will show you now. Okay, first I need to open the Jmeter. Okay, I will go to my folder, E folder. I need to open Apache Jmeter 5.4.1. Go to bin folder. Okay, open bin folder, the Apache Jmeter executable file. Just double click and you need to open. Or you can go to Jmeter window batch file, you need to double click also, will be open. Yeah, it's open, that one. You can expand. You can go to test plan, you need to add the, okay, how you need to add now? Go to test plan, right click, add thread and thread group. Under thread group, right click, add sampler, go to add the HTTP request. After HTTP request, you need to add the, go to listeners view results tree. Okay, under HTTP request, you need to add the timers. Go to add, go to timers, first add the constant timer. Okay, this is the constant timer. You need to fill this one now. You can open the JPEG store application. Okay, I will take this URL for just for testing purpose. I will take this URL, path place, this is the get method. This is the HTTPS. Copy that one. You need to provide the HTTPS. You need to remove this all the things. Okay. The protocol is HTTPS. Server IP address is petstore.octopref.com. Method is get and remaining URL. Okay. How you need to execute now? You need to provide the time. Okay. You can see thread delay. Thread means we'll call Jmeter thread means Java level. Backend will be work na in servers. Threads only will work. Thread dump, heap dump, that based. Okay. Thread will called user. User delay. You need to wait for the user in milliseconds. How much time? Example, I will given 5,000 means each and every request you need to send it to the 5 seconds. 5 seconds you need to wait, after only will send it. Okay. Okay, you can give it to the 5,000 will given, 5 seconds will be executed. Now I need to save the script. Timers. Timers list. Save that one. You can go to view results tree and thread will provided. Okay. Can give the 10 users. We'll slowly need to execute that one. You can start the test. You can see the time total 5 seconds na. Based on 5 seconds you need to execute the test, that one. You need to wait the 5 seconds, based on will execute it. Example, you can remove this all the things. One user only, one only. You can remove. You can start. You can wait now. Total 5 seconds will be done. After only the will be executed. Okay, it's done. 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds will be done. After the test is executed and results will be came. Means the request will send it to server. This is the base only will work to the constant timer. Okay. After, yeah, now it's completed this one. Okay, completed. Second one is the uniform random timer. Okay, now this one is disabled. Yeah, go to request, HTTP request, timers, uniform random timer. Means you can see constant delay offset 0 and random delay maximum 100 will be given. Okay, it's a milliseconds only. I will explain this one. The thread delay properties. Constant delay offset means it's a constant timer. How will be work na? Example, I will provide it to the 1,000 seconds will be provided. 1 second, a constantly will be wait, and the random delay maximum in milliseconds. The randomly will waited to the maximum time. How much time you need to provide? Example, I will provided the 5,000 seconds. You need to wait the 5 seconds will be waited. How it this one will be work now? You can go to the timers. Example, the method is working 5,000 plus 1,000 is equal. This is the maximum. Okay. Minimum is same only. 5,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 4,000. Means you need to wait the 4 seconds or 6 seconds. Okay, 6 seconds. This is the output. This is the format only will execute the uniform random timer. Minimum is 4 seconds, maximum is 6 seconds. Anytime you need to execute it, that one. Okay. Okay, now I need to execute this one. Go to view results tree. Thread group only single user only, not more than. Yeah, you need to execute. You need to wait 1, 2. Yeah, you executed around 3 seconds only. Okay. Minimum is the 4. Okay, you can run one more time also. That is randomly one time based on your system network capacity, that based. Yeah, you can see now executed 6 seconds. Okay, either will work 4 or 6 seconds. Minimum maximum based only will execute the test. Okay, that is everything based on calculation level only. The timers will be created. Okay, okay, you need to this one also disable. Okay, yes, now this one also completed. Okay, now we need to moving to synchronizing timer. Go to HTTP request, go to add it to the timer, synchronizing timer. Okay, synchronizing timers means it's a grouping number of simulated users to group by timeout in milliseconds. This is very important goal. Number of simulated users to group by means example I will go to the thread group. I will give in to the 10 and 5 I will give in and infinity I selected simulated given to the 60 seconds of the duration. You need to go to synchronizing timer. Simulated number of simulated users. Number of simulated users to group by. Timeout in milliseconds. Okay. Number of simulated users to group by. Na? You need to provide the okay 10 users 60 seconds you need to provide it. You need to execute one time. After you need to check how you need to behave that one. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I will add it to the view result table and aggregate report also. In same format, I need to execute one more time. Yes, the timer is waited for 10 users and timeout milliseconds 60. Okay, something is wrong. Uh, of simulated users to group by 10, timeout in milliseconds 60. Yes, this is the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. You can see the thread group is I will provided the 10. Number of threads is 10. Ramp up. You can provide one, or this is just for demo purpose only. I will provide the one only. There is no infinity, just one iteration only, 10 users. But synchronizing timer, how we need to work now? You need to provide the simulated users to group by 10. Means once 10 users will be reached, automatically synchronizing timer is released to the users. Okay, that is our goal. And timeout in milliseconds, na, the 60 seconds only. I will provide at least time only. Yeah, just 10 users only will executed in synchronizing timer. And just a minute, one time I need to check to the. Okay, okay, I will moving to the next one. Okay, now we need to synchronize it. Just you need to wait some time. After I will do that one. You can go to the Gaussian random timer. Yeah, this one also same only how the uniform random timer will be work, but the small delay is constant delay offset means you need to wait the constant delay, and the deviation means you will the wait time. You need to wait that users after will be released. I will provide the constant delay offset is 3 seconds and deviation is just 1 second I will provide it, and I need to try to execute the test, and I will provide the users only one only. Okay, now I need to try to execute the test. You can see totally 3 seconds and 4 the request will be executed. Okay, same format 4 plus 3 plus 1 total 4, now 4 seconds will be executed. Other minus also will be work same format only, uniform random timer only will work. Okay, that's all for the Gaussian random timer. Need to disable it, that one also. Yeah, it's completed. You can go to the Poisson random timer. Go to timer, Poisson random timer. This one also same type only. The constant delay offset is constantly you need to hold the users, need to wait after will be released. The lambda milliseconds, na, the milliseconds based only random type only will be released to the users. Example, I will select the 3 to 1 seconds, na, in same time. You can single user only. You need to execute the timer. Yeah, total 6 seconds will be executed. It's a random pace, no? That reason only will take it to the 6 seconds. This one also same type only. Previous one, you need to disable that one. Okay. Now go to the constant throughput timer. Go to constant throughput timer. Okay guys, this is one of the important element. You can go to our threads. I need to give into the 10 users and wait for every 5 seconds and infinity and give into the I will set the infinity and select the specify thread lifetime 60 seconds. You can go to the thread. There is so many methods to calculate throughput based. Which one based? Okay. This thread only all active threads in current thread group, all active threads shared, all active threads in current thread group shared. Okay, I will select by default one only, this thread only. What are the threads I executed? And target throughput in samples per minute. Samples means user request per minute. Example, I given 60. Okay, sample 1 minute, 60 request you need to execute. You can go to the um, yeah, you can take this sample one only. Okay, you need to remove previous data and just you can see I'm already give this 60 seconds only duration also. Yeah, go to aggregate report and you need to start the test. You need to watch the time and the total how many. How we need to work now? Total 10 threads and constant time is 60. 60 into 10, 600. I need 600 samples will be reaching. Okay, just you need to wait until 60 seconds you need to reach. Okay, actually the constant throughput timer you need to give in 1 minute only 60 request only will executed. Okay, total users is 10 and the duration is 60 seconds. But per minute will sending only 60 seconds only. That reason the sample per minute in aggregate report will come totally 247 only. It's not more than. Okay. Okay, that based only will reach the target is very low. Only 247 only will be taken. Okay. This is the based only how many requests you need to send it to server you need to design. You can how much example in samples per minute. Example 1 minute how many requests you need to send to server no? Target throughput. You need to provide that one. Example I will provide per minute only 60 request only need to send. That based what is the throughput samples executed total it's very less only 247 only will reach the total transactions the sample request and throughput just 3.6 only will came. Okay, this is the way you need to design the constant throughput timer. Okay, The last one, precise throughput timer. You can add this one, precise throughput timer. Yeah. Yeah, the precise throughput timer, you need to, everything is target based will be work. Delay thread to ensure target throughput. Target throughput in samples per throughput period and throughput period seconds and test duration. Example, I will given the test duration in seconds, just 60 seconds. Throughput period seconds. Throughput period also I will given only 60 only. Samples per throughput period. Samples means I will given 10. And the number of threads in batch thread 1 only is the delay between thread batch millisecond 0 and the random seed change from 0 random 0 only. It no need to change this all the things is I'm not using this one. Major things this one only. Target throughput in samples. Samples means user request. Throughput period 10. Throughput period seconds 60. Test duration also 60. And previous test how we need to design the same format only I will given. Remove all the data and you can go to check to the in aggregate report only. How many samples will be executed? What is the throughput? Okay, you can start now. Yeah, it started that one. Just hold on, remaining 30 seconds. We'll complete that one. Yeah, you executed total samples only 10. How many you need to provide it? 10 only. Yeah, 10 only will be taken. And 60 seconds only. The test duration 60 seconds. Throughput will provide also 60 seconds only. Throughput period. Okay. And target throughput in samples per throughput period 10. Okay. That based you need to go to the aggregate report in samples totally 10 and throughput also 11.8 per minute. This is the base you need to design the precise throughput. You need to provide the how much of duration and how many requests you need to send and what is the throughput period. Okay, all the details. Okay. Hi everyone. Yeah, now I need to check one small thing from synchronizing timer. You need to enable this one. You can go to the thread group. I will give it to the 10 users. Ramp up is 5 seconds. Infinity specific thread life duration is 60 seconds. You can go to synchronizing timer now. How we need to work now? Example. Okay, I will take in this one. Add it to one more time. Okay. Two requests now. Example request underscore one request underscore two. In synchronizing timer, I will give it 10 users. But synchronizing timer, number of simulated users to group by. Yeah, I will give it 5 users. Okay. Yes, same 5 only. The timeout milliseconds is 60. Means once 60 seconds is done, it's automatically stopped. Okay. Now I need to execute and I need to check the report. Yeah, I can go to view results table. Okay, you can see there is a execution thread name. 1 bar 1 means one user, one iteration. One user, two iteration. One user, third iteration. That is the base it will work. Okay. You can see the both request will be executed. One will be executed, two, one, two, one, two. Everything will be executed. Okay. There is not only one request, second request, everything will be executed. Yeah, until 60 seconds only will execute it. You can see remaining just 5 seconds. Yeah, it's over. It stopped. The main intention for the synchronizing timer, timeout milliseconds means you need to provide 60 seconds. 60 seconds after will be stopped the it's not working to synchronizing timer. The number of simulated users to group by means I will given 5 users. Example, I have two requests. Okay. How we need to work now? Total is 10 users. First 5 users executed to first request and second user 5 request will be executed. That based only the test will be executed until thread lifetime. Okay. That is the main use for the synchronizing timer. Means hold the users and release the users. That based only the synchronizing timer will be performed to the spike testing. Spike testing means up and downs you need to create and that based only the synchronizing timer usually you need to create the spike testing. That based on will using means until 60 seconds is hold on the load and how much load you need to release that one. You need to distribute the request to request. Example, first request executed now 5 users and second request will execute 5 users. Okay, total 10 threads and how much of duration. Okay, this is the way only will work to the synchronizing timer. Okay, first example, there are two requests now, 5 users you need to give in total 10 threads, 10 users. First 5 users will execute a first request and second user will execute 5. And total time is 60 seconds only will execute. After will be released that one. Means that is the timeout. How you need to check now? You can go to this label. You can see how you need to test will be executed. You can go tab. You can see the first request, second, first, second, first, second, second, first, second only. That is the base only. Both the request will be working. You can see this is all work only one only. These are all the things two only. Okay. That is the basic total 60 seconds. How many is able to possible to send the request? All the things will be exam last one, everything one only, two one, everything two. Okay, that is the basic in synchronizing timer will work to the hold on the load and release the load. Okay, that is the main purpose in synchronizing timer. Okay guys, this is only today, but you need to practice that one. Okay, one or two time you need to practice and how you need to work exactly. You need to check for one or two times. No, that time only you able to understand how the timers will be work. And the same time in project point of view, how you need to use these timers, that is the important one. Okay, that all the things you need to learn. Now first of all you need to practice these timers. This is timers only majorly will work, but most of the times will be used constant timer, uniform random timer, synchronizing timer, Gaussian random timer, and poison random timer. The mostly these five only will be used. Yes, constant throughput timer, precise throughput timer is available. You need to learn what you means, how you need to use, what is the use, everything. But most of the time you did not use it. Any specific situation only you can use that one. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, guys. This is only video. I will connect to my next video. Thank you and very happy New Year 2022. Okay, for great year. Thank you. Bye.